Did I tell you I got that girl's number the other day? Wait, so you mean to tell me you actually walked up to a girl? Yes. And she said yes. Yes. To you? Yes. Fuck off. I'm not joking, my friend. I just got game, that's all. You wouldn't understand. But we're the same person. This is just a YouTube video. Yeah, you're right. Like I'm not even talking to you right now. I'm staring at a couch. Well, I mean, they are pretty nice couches. Anyway, what does she look like? Show me. Hold on, I'll show you a photo. Oh, shit. Here we go. Here she is. Damn. I know, right? Where'd you find her at? At the gym. Walked up to her, you know, gave her a little flex, you know. You know, just a little bit of, just a tiny bit of, you dog. Oh. I love that. Tell me more, I want to know more. Come on, man, tell me the story.